Yes, as New Year's is coming very soon, I want to inform my customers that yes, Happy New Year's, guys, and I have a discount coupon just for you. I want to share this WhatsApp message to all my customers at once. Now, doing this manually is a very time consuming part because New Year's is just days away, and now I want to send this message as soon as possible. Why are you worried? I am here for you. I will show you how you can use amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast message, with the help of which to multiple numbers at once you can send this message. That too, you will create this amazing setup without need of any coding and programming skills. So hello everyone, I will show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp message Happy New Year wishes to all your customers without getting banned or blocked by WhatsApp. Yes. So over here, I use Pabbly Chatflow in order to automate my WhatsApp conversations. With the help of this amazing software, you can automate your WhatsApp conversations and manage your team members at once. And I have started to use Pabbly Chatflow for my business, and it has turned out to be very amazing. Okay, so now I will show you how you can send a message like this to all your customers at once. Simply for that, what we are going to do is we are going to create a broadcast. But for creating a broadcast, we have to first create a template message, a template just like this on the screen, and then we are going to share that message to all our customers. In order to create a template message, go towards the template list section right over here. Inside this, go to this add template button. You have to create your own template now. We have to select the template category, for which I will select marketing. If you want, you can select the other options as well. We have to give the template name. Let's suppose I will give it as test right over here. You have to select the language in which you're creating this template. Select the template type. If you want text, image, video, document, you can select the template type according to your requirement. Over here, you have to give the template a header. Let's suppose I'll give it as test. You will see on the preview, this is how the header will appear as a message. For the format, let's suppose I will write the format as hello world. This message is for you. Okay, so you can see right over here, you will see a message like this, and if you want to add a footer, you can do that as well. Thank you. Okay, you can see this is how the message will appear with the header, message, as well as the footer. Okay, now if you want some interactive actions with the template, you can add in the actions. Click on the submit button and a template is going to be created. I've already created mine. You can see right over here. These are Meta approved template. You will see the status comes over here as approved. The approved status doesn't come from Pabbly Chatflow. They are Meta approved template. Meta needs to approve first, and then only you can use this template in order to send the broadcast message to all your customers. Template is created. You can see I've created this template for Happy New Year wish to all my customers. Template part is done. As now this part is done, now let us send this template message to all my contacts that are created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, I have created multiple contacts inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can see right away I have 3,000 plus contacts right here. Okay, so now to all these contacts, let's send a WhatsApp message. And how is that possible? For that, simply go towards this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow using this amazing feature at once on a specific date and time, and even instantly you can send a broadcast message to all your contacts. Okay, simply to add a new broadcast, click on this add broadcast button. After coming to this button, select the broadcast type. There are two types, API campaign and broadcast campaign. I will select the broadcast campaign as the type. We have to name our broadcast, for which I will write it as New Year Wish 2026. Okay, so this is the broadcast name. Now we have to select the list. Inside the contact section, you will get an option to create multiple lists. So let's suppose you want to send a wish to a specific segment, like if you have gender list like male and female, if you want to send this wish just to all your female contacts, what you can do is over here you have created multiple lists. You can select the list from the drop down, and also we have an option to select all contacts. You can select all contact list, and towards all the list the message is going to be forwarded. Okay, what I will do is I will select a specific list, let's suppose as marketing list. Okay, now as I've selected the list, towards this specific list, to all the contacts which are added inside this list, they will receive this broadcast message. Now over here we have to select the message type, where there are two types: pre-approved template I've already showed you how you can create your pre-approved template through Meta, or else you can create a regular message template directly from here. Add in your message right here, select the type, message type like it's an image or video. According to your requirement, you will see the message right here, but I will select the pre-approved template that I've created. So this is the template. I will click on this done button and you will see this is the same message that I want to share. Okay, now if you want to test whether this template, how it is forwarding towards customer, how it is looking on WhatsApp as a customer's point of view, want to check and test how this template is going to be forwarded, simply add the username of that person, your phone number, click on the send test message, and towards this number that you're going to enter in this field, they will receive a test message and a test broadcast is going to run. Okay, now we have two options. As I've told you, you can either send this broadcast instantly, or else you can just schedule this broadcast according to your requirement. What I want is, I want to schedule this broadcast. When I want to schedule this broadcast, I'm going to click on this button. I want to schedule it on 31st at 12 p.m. Okay, so I've scheduled it on 31st of December 2025 at 12 p.m. This message of wish as well as the coupon code is going to be forwarded towards my customer. You can select the date and time according to your business requirements. I've just selected a test date and time right here. Click on this add broadcast button, and as soon as you're going to do that, you will see automatically a broadcast is scheduled inside our account for New Year Wish 2026. The template is selected. You can see right over here, this template is going to be forwarded and the message will appear like this. You can see in front of you when this message is going to be forwarded according to the date and time selected right here. So now automatically towards all the numbers which are added in the contact list that you have selected, towards all of them, they will receive a New Year's wish like this, and you have to just sit and relax. The messages are automatically going to be forwarded. Okay, so this is how you send New Year wishes at once in bulk to all your contacts, that too without getting banned or blocked by WhatsApp or Meta. Okay, so now this is how you can schedule your wishes right away. Not just for New Year's, any other holidays that are upcoming or any other offers, you can create a broadcast message just like this. So this was it for this video. If you have questions or doubts related to this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.